Yeah, UTG album, you hear that? Team different. You see what I say? The album different. My brother say look like them make it for white people. So white boy can't listen to them music here in the club. You see what I say? Yeah, UTG. Team different. Yeah man, we just a bounce out the album in the morning, you see what I say? But no bumper ass cloud, cause it different, you see what I say? You see what I say? No joke shit. Discuss, bad you fuck, bad dance. Yes, yes, yes. Yes, 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 yes. Gaza Nation. Crazy shellings. Yes, yes, yes. Team different. Yeah man, the style them different. Different from everything. Yes, yo. He's a man. He's a man, I'm proud of honor that. Love the music them wanna put out. Yeah, cause you know my brethren them are some my brethren them part the job are some white youth them, see? And the man them I say, yo, it look like when I met them at the album for them. Cause them can go in at the club, go vibes to them music, yeah. Cause the man them I hear everything one I say crystal clear. UTG gone on top again. No gimmicks thing no that about it. You see what I say? We just a chop out the album fast and quick in the morning, yeah, you see? Yeah man, so Gaza Nation, make sure you know. Who not buy, you know, make sure you stream the hell out of this shit, you know. And a joke thing, you know. Yeah man. Yeah man, make certain you stream the hell out of this. No gimmicks business not dead about it. You see what I say? Team different, UTG. The places, the things slap wet. You see what I say? Yeah. And don't forget, you know, I still a cry and I say billboard settings. You see what I say? Yeah man. Album different. Different from everything else you ever hear. You see what I say? But I don't tell you already nation people, international market, the youth them a target. You see what I say? Wider variety. Yeah man. You see what I say? Classically done. You see me? Precisely orchestrated. Shellings. You see what I say? Crazy. Mad thing. What you say about the album?
Fire, fire. Fire. Every track is fire.
You see what I say? I know gimmicks thing. That shit you sick. Yeah man, that shit you sick. Listen to the rhythm. Bumbo clat, I can't build them rhythm, yeah? Watch. Why? Cha. Oh fuck man. You hear the man vocal man? Slap where? Crazy shelling. You see it? Watch. Yes. 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 Watch. Yeah man, UTG on fire. Make certain nation people will stream the hell out of it. I want me to know and I talk about watch my eyes. You don't know I must first up. You know early morning. You see what I say? I don't tell you already, I'm not easy. I grade my smoke and I'm not bun beady, you see? Yeah man, slap wet early this morning. You can tell by the red in my eyes. Judging by the red in my eyes. Watch! UTG team different. Gaza Nation. Stream and buy. Gaza Nation. A bounce 10 star, a bounce out the album early in the morning and I show them say I don't know lollipop thing. I make all of my white boy brethren them go get that. You see what I say? I summer walk. You see what I say? All of my brethren them I make cop that. In the morning here, no joke thing. Before boy change him clothes. 10 star make him know yo 2 UTG album out. Yes, what me I say team different. Cop that right now. Before you even change your clothes, before you even take off your shoes, make sure you cop that. But me tell you something. As soon as me done bounce out the album, as me turn off my camera, me I go downstairs to them girl there. We don't have to cop this right now. No lollipop thing. You see what I say? Yeah, man. Me I target the white people them today. All of the white, nice and decent, sophisticated ladies them. 10 star attack on today. On Africa team different. Listen to them bumbuckler track here from the nation. From the nation. Rascal royalty. You see what I say? Yes, 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 yes. Sure does. Yeah, man. Fire. UTG. Think we easy. Eh? Yeah, man. All the ear people are talk some of them songs are going to shake up some part of the world around. So you hear that? Yeah, man. You know what I mean? Yeah, man. No joke thing no dead about it. Me blood clot. What is now? Hear that blood clot beat ya. Eh? Oh. Yes, sir. Yes, yes, yes. Kick out. Kick out. Slap where? Look at Vybz, you're sick, you know. I tell you that. Your flow, your melody is sick. A long time, I tell you, not just now. Yes, 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 yes. Nation paper, make certain. You know, go out there. You know what I mean? Buy and stream. That's what I talk about. That's how we think there. We buy and stream. No joke shit, not dead about it. Yeah, man. Right now, me never lie. Them lyrics are chop like the sword of Zara. Is what I say? Zero. Yeah. Bomber ass clot. Is what I say? The thing are chop like the sword of Zara. Zero. UTG team difference. Now gimmicks thing. Nation people go buy and stream. Because that's what they are do. You think we easy? I'm not telling you already, sir. I grade my smoker, we not bun beady. You see what I say? You cut the album already, rude boy? Alright. So in the system, I not laugh with it. Eh? You see what I say? Yeah. Gaza fans them worldwide, my brother. You see what I say? No gimmicks business. You see what I deal with? So when some boy run down some hype in Jamaica and feel like that's a music stop, you don't know what I go on. Gaza fans them worldwide, you hear me? But yeah, more than 10 white people make cut that this morning. And I go downstairs to the girls them. Go make them know, yo, turn on the white, hey, cut that right now. UTG out in a full effect. You see what I say? Put on your iPad and turn it up in your ears. Bucket. You hear me I say? Yeah. Sick. Yeah. Different. Yeah, man. Compact. Classic. You know what I mean? Yeah. Everybody can listen to it. Baby. Pitney. Big man. Little girl. Big woman. Big everybody. Pastor, preacher, everybody can listen to it. Yeah, man. Them bomber ass clot, what this now? Clot, who make them beat? I can make them beat her? Me bomber ass clot. Eh? Yes, yes, yes. Turn it up. Go gun it up and burn it up. Yes, yes, yes. shellings. Watch. See it there? Cha, cha, cha. Oh fuck, man. Gaza Nation, stream and buy. Stream and buy. A billboard settings, I still a say, is me UTG. The general, the 10-star one I represent. So you know what I forgot to do right now. I'm not going to tell you nothing more. You see what I say? The album out, UTG, teams different. You know what I mean? Listen to Blood Clot lyrics. Oi, oi. Watch. Watch. Yes, 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 yes. Gaza Nation, stream and buy a 10-star, the general I represent. You know a Gaza way, there ain't no other way. What? Team defense. Go out there, go copy. Get your copy. Stream Nation people. 10-star in a full effect of bounce out the album this morning. Watch.